Hello students, transformation of the axis exercise 2a exercise problems. First problem is when the origin is shifted to 4 comma minus 5 by the translation of the axis, find the coordinates of the following points with the reference to the new axis is given 0 comma 3 first. Given that origin is shifted to h comma k is equal to 4 comma minus 5. Let the given point 0 comma 3 is p of x comma y is equal to 0 comma 3 be shifted to x dash and y dash. Therefore, we have the formula x dash is equal to x minus h and y dash is equal to y minus k. Therefore, you can substitute here x dash is equal to x is nothing but 0 minus h is nothing but 4, y dash is equal to y is nothing but 3 minus of k is nothing but minus 5. Therefore, x dash is equal to minus 4 and y dash is equal to minus of minus 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. The required point is x dash and y dash is equal to minus 4 comma 8 is the answer. Okay. Second question. The origin is shifted to 2 comma 3 by the translation of the axis if the coordinates of the points of a point P changes as follows. Find the coordinates of the P in the original system. Therefore, this is h comma k is given. Therefore, you can solution can write given that the origin is shifted to h comma k is what is given here 2 comma 3. Let the point is x dash and y dash is how can you change the as follows is that is minus 4 comma 3 is given x dash and y dash. Therefore, you can find here x comma y. Again, you can find the formula is also x is equal to x dash plus h and y is equal to y dash plus k. Again, you can substitute the x dash and h, y dash and plus k value. X is equal to how much that is x dash is minus 4, h is nothing but 2 and y is equal to y dash is nothing but 3 and k also 3 only. Therefore, you got your answer is x is equal to minus 2 plus minus 4 plus 2 is nothing but minus 2. Y is equal to plus 3 is nothing but 6. Therefore, x comma y is equal to that is minus 2 comma 6 is the answer. Next, third problem. Find the point to which the origin is to be shifted so that the point 3 comma 0 may changes to 2 comma minus 3. It changes to 2 comma minus 3. Therefore, given that origin is coordinate is x comma y is equal to 3 comma 0. 3 comma 0 original. And is shifted to how can is shifted that is it changes to 2 comma minus 3. Therefore, find the changes of the origin is that is you can find here h comma k value. You can find here h comma k value. Therefore, you have the formula here x is equal to x dash plus h, y is equal to y dash plus k. Substitute the x and x dash, y and y dash. 3 is equal to x dash is 2 plus h, comma y dash is 0. Sorry, y is equal to 0. Y dash is nothing but minus 3 plus k. Therefore, I can write here h is equal to 3 minus 2. You can write here, bring this side 3 minus 2 and k is equal to I can write here 0 plus 3 here 3. Therefore, h is equal to minus 1 and k is equal to 3. Therefore, h comma k is answer is 1 comma 3. Next question is fourth one. When the origin is shifted to minus 1 comma 2 by the translation of the axis, find the transformation of the equation as the following. We have two equations, but I am explaining the second one is, the second one is 2x square plus y square minus 4x plus 4y is equal to 0. We have the two problems, and first one is x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the homework. Same you can do. What is the solution is given? Given that the shifted origin at h comma k is given here minus 1 comma 2. The original equation what is given here? 2x square plus y square minus 4x plus 4y is equal to 0. You can find the changes of the equation. Let here p of x comma x dash comma y dash be the transformed or translated point. Transformed or translated point. Then we have, what you have formula is x is equal to, okay, right here, x dash plus h, y is equal to y dash plus k. You can substitute here h and k values. X is equal to x dash minus 1, y is equal to y dash plus 2. We have here x and y value. These values you can substitute the equation. From equation 1 you can substitute, you get the required transform the equation. Okay? Transform the equation. How can you substitute here? From equation 1, from 1, what do you have? You can write here 2x square plus y square minus 4x plus 4y is equal to 0. In this place you can substitute what you get here. I am writing here. Okay? Therefore 2 of x is nothing but x dash minus 1 whole square plus y dash is nothing but y dash plus 2 whole square minus 4 into x is nothing but x dash minus 1 plus 4 into y is nothing but y dash plus 2 is equal to 0. You can simplify this, you get the answer. What is simplification is a minus b whole square, x1 square plus 1 minus 2x dash, this is y1 square plus 4 plus 2y dash minus 4x dash minus of minus plus 4 plus 4y dash plus 4 into 2 is nothing but 8 is equal to 0. You can multiply 2x dash whole square plus 2 minus 4x dash plus y1 dash whole square plus 4 plus 2y dash minus 4x dash plus 4 plus 4y dash plus 8 is equal to 0. You can write properly, orderly. 2x dash whole square is first term is, and plus y dash, okay, y dash whole square, and x terms means x dash only, minus 4x dash is nothing but minus x dash. y1 dash how much it is? y1 dash 4 y1 dash 6. This is listen here, this is a 4 y dash is only, y square y1 square 2 square is 4, this is a 2 to the 4 only you getting here, is also 4 only. Therefore 4 plus 4 is, I can write here 8 y dash plus a constant is observed here, 2 plus 4 6 plus 4 10 plus 8 is 18. Therefore you can write this is 2x square plus y square minus 8x plus 8y plus 18 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the translation of the equation. This given equation is shifted to origin is minus 1 comma 2. The equation is 2x square plus y square minus 8x plus 8y plus 18 is equal to 0. Next question is fifth one is the point to which the origin is shifted to and the transformed the equation are given below. Find the original equation. Once again, the point is given and equation is given. Find the original equation. Is shifted equation is. Therefore, first you can write here, given that is origin is shifted to h comma k is origin that is given here, 3 comma minus 4 is given. Is a given origin is shifted to origin, h comma k is equal to 3 comma minus 4. And equation what is given here? X square plus y square is equal to 4. Therefore, I can write here, transformed equation is x dash whole square plus y dash whole square is equal to 4. Because here changing here x is y comma y is a x dash and y dash. Okay, x dash and y dash. Therefore, what is the axis is x dash is equal to, I can write here, x minus h, and y dash is equal to y minus k. X dash is equal to x minus h, y dash is equal to y minus k. Therefore, x dash is equal to x, h is nothing but minus 3. Y dash is equal to y minus of, is already minus 4 is. Therefore, x dash is equal to, we have x minus 3. Clear? And y dash is equal to y plus 4. We have here x dash and y dash. You can substitute the equation in one. What is one equation is? X dash whole square plus y dash whole square is equal to 4. X dash is nothing but here x minus 3 whole square is equal to plus y dash is equal to y plus 4 whole square is equal to 4. The original equation is get here. You can simplify. A minus b whole square, a plus b whole square. X square plus 3 whole square is nothing but 9 minus 2ab is nothing but minus 6x plus y square plus 16, 4 square is nothing but 16 plus 2ab is nothing but 8y is equal to 4. You can write orderly, or you can write the x square term, y square term, x, y and constant. What will get here? X square plus y square, okay, and minus 6x, there is no term again x, and y's term is plus 8y. Constant is how much it is? 9 plus 16 is 25, and this 4 is bring this side, minus 4 is equal to 0. The last equation, your required equation is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 8y plus 21 is equal to 0. This is our required equation, the original equation. Next question is sixth one. Find the point to the which the origin is shifted to so as remove the first degree terms from the equation 4x square plus 9y square minus 8x plus 36y plus 4 is equal to 0. Your similar one example problem is done, same method. You also can write here, given that given equation is what is given here, 4x square plus 9y square minus 8x plus 36y plus 4 is equal to 0. We have here x is equal to, changes of the origin axis is x is equal to x dash plus h and y is equal to y dash plus k. Is origin is shifted to, and we have the h comma k shifted to h comma k. We have the formula x is equal to x dash plus h, y is equal to y dash plus k. Okay, h comma k is a shifted origin, and x dash and y dash new coordinates. Okay, and it is what is given, remove the first degree terms. First you can find the equation. Okay, substitute your x comma y values in given equation. What will get here? 4 of x dash plus h whole square plus 9 y dash plus k whole square minus 8 of x dash plus h plus 36 of y dash plus k plus 4 as t is equal to 0. I am substituting the x and values by the condition x dash plus h and y dash plus k. Can simplify this one. What will get here? X dash whole square plus 2x dash h plus h square. First term is, and second one is y dash whole square plus 2y dash k h. So k now only, okay, k 2y dash k plus k square, and third term is minus 8x dash minus 8h plus 36y dash plus 36k plus 4 is equal to 0. You can write orderly. How can I write here? 4x dash whole square, first term is, and second one is 9y dash whole square. Again you can multiply here. What will you get here? 4 into 2 is 8x dash h, and y term is 18, 9 into 2 18 y dash k. This term is over, second term is. What is remaining is, you can write again minus 8x dash and plus 36y dash, x square y square x y terms, okay. I can orderly, and remaining is a constant is, that is 4h square, 4h square minus next 9k square. All terms is over. Your 8x dash is over, minus 8h, this is over, 36y dash, and plus the 36k plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, next I can write here 4x dash whole square 9y dash whole square. In this, observe here, you can take here x dash common. What is the remaining term is 8h, this is minus 8. Clear? I am taking the x dash is common in this two term, therefore 8h minus 8. And similarly this two term you can take here y dash common. What is remaining here? 18k plus 36. These are x dash and y dash. X dash whole square, y dash, x dash, y dash terms, okay. And remaining all this is the constant. You can write it the 1. 4h square plus 9k square minus 8h plus 36k plus 4 is equal to 0. You can observe this equation. What you have here, only remove the first degree. Remove the first degree. Therefore, first degree is nothing but the x dash and y dash term only. X dash and y dash term only. This is the second term. This is also second term. This is a constant. Therefore, first degree means remove the x dash and y dash. The degree is how much it is? Only 1. Therefore, first degree is. Therefore, I can write here x dash of 8h minus 8 plus y dash of 18k plus 13.6 is equal to 0, or 8h minus 8 is equal to 0. Removing these two terms, and 18k plus 36 is equal to 0. Therefore, 8h is equal to 8, h is equal to 1. You got here h is equal to 1. And 18k is equal to minus 36, and k is equal to minus 36 by 18, or you can write here k is equal to minus 2. K is equal to minus 2. Therefore, what is the answer here? H comma k is equal to 1 comma minus 2. H comma k is equal to how much? That is 1 comma 2. Find the point is which the origin is shifted to. Shifted to means that is h comma k. Therefore, h comma k is equal to how much? That is 1 comma minus 2. Okay. Next, seventh problem is observe here. When the axes are rotated through an angle 30 degrees, find the new coordinates of the following points: 0, 5, minus 2, 4, 0, 0. You have the three problems. I will explain. Second one is minus 2, 4. Angle is same as is given. Theta is equal to 30 degrees. Points are changing here. Therefore, I am taking the minus 2, 4. Second problem is minus 2, 4. We have the translation of the In previous you can discussing about the only points. Here you can change as a angle only theta. Angle and points, what is the formulas we have here? Theta and x dash and y dash and x is equal to y. You have the one table is. How can remember that is cos theta minus sin theta, and this is sin theta and cos theta. Therefore, we want your x dash and y dash values. How can it x dash is equal to x cos theta plus x dash plus y sin theta. X dash is equal to, again here, x cos theta plus y sin theta. Again y dash is equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Okay, this is not a y dash, this is a y sin theta. Therefore, you can substitute this as values and x and y and theta value. What will get here? X dash is equal to, x is nothing but minus 2 cos 30, y is nothing but 4 sin 30, theta is 30 degrees, and y dash is equal to minus of x is nothing but minus 2 sin 30, y is nothing but 4 again cos 30 degrees. X dash is equal to minus 2 cos 30 is how much it is? You can write here root 3 by 2. 4 into sin 30 is 1 by 2. Similarly, you can find the y dash value also. Minus of minus plus 2 you are reading. Sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. 4 of cos 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2. X dash is equal to, I can write here, minus 2 root 3 plus 4 by 2. Y dash is equal to 2 plus 4 root 3 by 2. You can write it as separately, therefore you get the minus root 3 plus 2, because 2 get cancelled. 2 2s are 4, I can write here minus 2 root 3 by 2 plus 4 by 2 is 2 to get cancelled, you will get the 2, it is minus root 3. Okay, here also 2 by 2 plus 4 root 3 by 2, 2 2s are 2 2s 1. Y dash is equal to 1 plus 2 root 3, 1 plus root 3. Therefore, you can write here orderly, this is can be written as 2 minus root 3, because here minus is there, therefore first you can write here 2 and minus root 3 as it is. Therefore, x dash and y dash is equal to, I can write here 2 minus root 3 comma 1 plus 2 root 3. This is the answer. Next question is the 8th one. When the axes are rotated through an angle 60 degrees, the new coordinates of the 3 points are is given following. You can find their original coordinates. Find the original coordinates. First one is 3 comma 4. Second one is minus 7 comma 2. And third one is 2 comma 0. Similarly, this you can find the anyone, you get the same procedure. I will explain the here also second problem, minus 7 comma 2. And relation between the angle and points is, we have the rotation of the angle is theta and x dash and y dash and xy. Therefore, what is the formula is x is equal to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta, and y is equal to x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. Therefore, theta is equal to 60 degrees, and the new system is x dash and y dash is what is given here. I can take the second one is minus 7 comma 2. You can substitute the values and theta and x dash and y dash, you get the x and y value. Listen here, x is equal to x dash is how much it is? Minus 7 cos theta is 60 degrees minus y dash is 2 sin 60 degrees. Again y is equal to x dash is minus 7 sin 60 degrees plus y dash is equal to 2 cos 60 degrees. Therefore, x is equal to minus 7 cos 60 is how much it is? 1 by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 7 minus 2 root 3 by 2. Because denominator is 2 is there, therefore I can write here minus 7 as it is minus 2 root 3 by 2. Similarly, find the y value is minus 7 sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2 plus 2 of cos 60 is 1 by 2. Here also you can write directly minus 7 root 3 plus 2 by 2. Therefore, x comma y is equal to, you got answer is how much it is? You got the answer is minus 7 minus 2 root 3 by 2 comma minus 7 root 3 plus 2 by 2 only. This is the required the original coordinates. Original coordinate comma x comma y is equal to. Okay, clear? Next, ninth question. Find the angle through which the axes are to be rotated so as to remove the xy terms. You can listen, this question is xy terms is in the equation x square plus 4xy plus y square minus 2x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. The given equation is angle through. Find the angle. Angle means you can take the change of the angle is, what is the formula is same here, the box theta and x dash and y dash, x and y. Therefore, you can remember x cos theta minus sin theta, y sin theta cos theta. Therefore, I can write here x is equal to, I can write here x is equal to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta, and y is equal to, I can write here x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. These two values x and y you can substitute in the given equation and you can remove the xy terms. How can remove this? Observe here. I can write here x is nothing but, I can write here x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta whole square plus 4 x is nothing but x dash cos theta minus y dash of sin theta into y is nothing but x dash of sin theta plus y dash of cos theta plus y square is nothing but x dash of sin theta plus y dash of cos theta whole square. You can write here minus 2 of x is nothing but x dash of cos theta minus y dash of sin theta and plus 2y of x dash of sin theta y dash of cos theta minus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 6 is equal to 0. This is a long equation. You can simplify this one. How can I write this? This is observe here. This is a minus b whole square form. Therefore, I can write here x dash r whole square cos square theta plus y dash of whole square sin square theta minus 2 x dash y dash cos theta sin theta cos theta. You can write it. This is second term. You can observe here 4 into x dash square cos theta sin theta. Okay, and second term is x dash y dash cos into cos square theta, and see this is second term in first term minus y x dash and y dash sin square theta, and this is last term is minus y1 square y dash whole square sin theta cos theta. This is also a plus b whole square x dash whole square sin square theta y dash whole square cos square theta plus 2 x dash y dash sin theta cos theta. Similarly, remaining minus 2 x dash cos theta plus 2 y dash sin theta plus 2 x dash sin theta plus 2 y dash cos theta minus 6 is equal to 0. You get in this equation. You can take here x1 square common. What are the remaining terms is here? First is cos square theta Okay, and next is 4 sin theta cos theta. 4 sin theta cos theta, and last term is, observe here, this is plus sin square theta. You are getting the x dash whole square. X dash whole square you are getting first. Next term is y dash whole square is nothing but this is the sin square theta first is, and here also you get the minus 4 sin theta cos theta. This is minus 4 sin theta into cos theta, and last one is, where is this is y1 square, y dash whole square is plus cos square theta. Okay, and we want here again x dash and y dash term. X dash whole square over completed, y dash whole square. Next is x dash xy, x dash y dash is nothing but minus 2 cos theta sin theta first is. Okay, this is over, and in this term you have these two terms you have the, therefore already x dash y dash you take the common. What the remaining term is cos square theta minus sin square theta. This is also over, this y dash is also over, and this also over, this term is also over, and remaining this is plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cos theta. Again is, there is no term. Again last term is, you can write directly, this is also over. As this you can write here, minus 2 x dash cos theta plus 2 y dash sin theta plus 2 x dash sin theta plus 2 y dash cos theta minus 6 is equal to 0. In this equation we want only xy term. This is, we want here, this is the term only we want here, because in given question is, what is given here, xy term is 0, remove the xy term. Therefore xy term is, what is there, xy term is, what is the xy term is, minus 2 cos theta sin theta plus cos square theta minus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta or sin theta into cos theta is equal to 0. Listen, observe here, you remove this term means you can take that is equal to 0. Therefore 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 cos theta sin theta both are same. It is the sign is different, plus 2 minus 2, it may be cancelling. Remaining term is only you have the cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to 0. Or you can write this is sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Sin square theta, bring this side, what happens, that is sin square theta. You can is equal to, you can write here cos square theta. Or this can be written as sin square theta by cos square theta is equal to 1. Bring this side, okay. Therefore tan square theta is equal to 1, or I can write here tan theta is equal to 1. Therefore theta is how much it is, tan theta is equal to 1, that is theta is equal to, I can write here tan 45 degrees. Therefore theta is equal to pi by 4 or 45 degrees. This is our answer. Theta is equal to how much it is, pi by 4 comma or 45. You can write 45 degrees or pi by 4. This is our angle. Find the angle is asking the angle. Therefore angle is how much it is, 45 degrees only. This is the end of the question. Next is second Roman, first problem, second bit. Okay, first bit is completed 9 problems. Second Roman, first problem is, when the origin is shifted to the point 2, 3, the transformed equation of the curve is x square plus 3xy minus 2y square plus 17x minus 7y minus 11 is equal to 0. Find the original equation of the curve. Here h comma k is given. H comma k is how much it is, 2, 3. Therefore solution is given that the origin is shifted to h comma k is equal to what is given 2 comma 3, and given equation is x square plus 3xy minus 2y square plus 17x minus 7y minus 11 is equal to 0. The transformed equation you can change as a x dash to y dash. Therefore, x dash whole square plus 3x dash and y dash minus 2y dash whole square plus 17x dash minus 7y dash minus 11 is equal to 0. This is a transformed equation. Okay, find the original equation. Therefore, let x comma y be the coordinate of the point P in the original system. Therefore, x dash is equal to how much it is? X minus h, and y dash is equal to y minus k. You can substitute the h comma k value. What will get here? That implies x dash is equal to x minus 2 and y dash is equal to y as it is. This is 3. I am substituting the h comma k value 2 comma 3. We got here x dash and y dash. You can substitute this equation 1. You can call this equation number 1. Substitute these two values. What will get here? I can write here x minus 2 whole square plus 3 into x minus 2 into y dash is nothing but y minus 3 minus 2 of y minus 3 whole square plus 17 of x minus 2 minus 7 of y minus 3 minus 11 is equal to 0. I am substituting the x dash and y dash values. Therefore, you can expand this one. X square minus 4x plus 4. This is a minus b formula. Again plus 3. 3 into, this can be written as xy minus 3x minus 2y plus 6 minus 2 of, this can be written as a minus b whole square formula, y square minus 6y plus 9 plus 17x minus 34 minus 7y plus 21 minus 11 is equal to 0. Again you can simplify x square as it is plus 3xy minus 2y square. This term is over. This 3xy minus 2y square. And remaining terms you can write once again minus 4x. This is a minus 9x. X term is over. Okay. And this also you get the x term is plus 17x. Okay. Y terms is minus 6y. Okay. And plus 12y minus of minus plus 6 into 2 12y over minus 7y. Okay, this is 34 only, na? Okay, this is not a 3y, this is 34. And constants 4, okay, 4 plus 18, 4 plus 18 minus 18, okay, and this is a minus 34 plus 21 minus 11 is equal to 0. You can write it as it is x square plus 3xy minus 2y square. There is no terms is, repeat it. What the x terms is? You got here minus how much it is? Minus 9 minus 4 is nothing but minus 13. Again plus 17 is nothing but plus 4x you get here. Minus 13 plus 17 is plus 4x. What about y terms is? This is a minus 6 minus 7 is nothing but minus 13. Minus 12y square is nothing. Minus 12y means you get the minus 5 only. And constants. Minus 18 plus 18 get cancel. Minus 34 plus 4 is equal to minus 30. Minus 30 plus 21 is nothing but minus 9. Minus 9 minus 11 is nothing but minus 20 is equal to 0. This is our new. Find the original equation is. What is the original equation is? x square plus 3x 3xy minus y 2y square plus 4x minus y minus 20 is equal to 0. This is the original equation. Okay. Next, third question. When the axes are rotated through an angle alpha, find the translation of the equation. It is given original equation is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, and transform of the equation you can find here. Therefore, here also given the angle, therefore you can draw a in x dash and y dash and x and y relation between theta. You have the boxes, but the formula is theta and x y, x dash and y dash theta, cos theta minus sin theta and cos theta. Therefore, given that angle of rotation theta is equal to what is given here? Alpha. And original equation is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Therefore, x is equal to, how can I write here? X is equal to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. And y is equal to, how can I write here? X dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. But theta is how much? It is alpha. You can write here x is equal to x dash as is cos alpha minus y dash of sin alpha, and y is equal to x dash of sin alpha plus y dash of cos alpha. These two values you can substitute in equation 1, given equation. You simplify, you get the required transform the equation. Transform the equation of the curve. How can I write here? Observe here. X is nothing but x dash of cos alpha minus y dash of sin alpha into cos alpha as this, plus y from 1. You can write here from 1. From here one equation x cos alpha. X is nothing but you can substitute this value. And y is nothing but x dash of sin alpha plus y dash of cos alpha into sin alpha is equal to p. You can multiply. What happens? That is x dash of cos square alpha minus y dash of sin alpha cos alpha. This is plus x dash of sin square alpha. Okay. And last term is plus y dash of sin alpha cos alpha is equal to p. Listen, this is minus of y dash of sin alpha cos alpha plus y dash of sin alpha cos alpha. Both are same, sign is different, therefore plus minus is there. Therefore this may cancel. Plus minus y dash sin alpha cos alpha plus minus y dash sin alpha cos alpha. Plus minus is there, therefore it is must be cancelled. And remaining is, what is remaining? These two terms is x dash of cos square alpha and x dash of sin square alpha is equal to p. You can write orderly. You can take the x dash is common. What is the remaining term is? You can write first is sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to p. We have the formula again. You know about the trigonometric ratios. That is sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Therefore, you can write here x dash is equal to p. What you got here? X dash is equal to p. This is the required. There you can write the transformed equation of the curve. Equation of the curve. Equation of the curve. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p is x dash is equal to p, or you can write this is equal to x is equal to p. This is our answer. X is equal to p is the answer. Okay. Last problem, fourth one is, when the axes are rotated through an angle pi by 6, find the transformed equation of x square plus 2 root 3 xy minus 5 square is equal to 2a square. Same is angle and changes of the angle. Therefore, you have the formula is theta and x dash and y dash, x and y. You can write a table, okay? And given that the angle is how much, that is theta is equal to pi by 6, nothing but 30 degrees. Origin equation is what is given, original equation, sorry. Original equation is given x square plus 2 root 3 xy minus 5 square is equal to a square. You can find your x comma y value. Therefore, what is our x is equal to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. Y is equal to x dash of sin theta plus y dash of cos theta. Here x dash and y dash you don't know, but theta is given, therefore you can find the x and y value putting the theta value. Therefore x is equal to, how can I write here, x dash of cos 30 minus y dash of sin 30 degrees. X is equal to x dash cos 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2 and sin 30 is how much, it is 1 by 2. Therefore you got here x is equal to x dash root 3 by 2 minus y dash 1 by 2. Therefore this can be written as root 3 x dash minus y dash by 2. And y is equal to also x dash of sin 30 plus y dash of cos 30. Y is equal to x dash of sin 30 is 1 by 2 and plus y dash of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Therefore y is equal to, I can write here, x dash plus root 3 y dash by 2. These are x and y values. You can write here root 3 x dash minus y dash by 2 comma y is nothing but x dash plus root 3 y dash by 2. These two values you can substitute in equation 1. Root 3 x dash minus y dash by 2 whole square plus 2 root 3 of root 3 x dash minus y dash by 2 into x dash plus root 3 y dash by 2 minus x dash plus root 3 y dash by 2 whole square is equal to 2a square. The x comma y value you can substitute, you get this equation. You can simplify this one. This is a minus b whole square, that is root 3 x dash whole square 3 x dash whole square minus 2 root 3 x dash and y dash plus y dash whole square by 4 plus root 3 into this, you can write the root 3 x dash whole square plus 3 x dash and y dash minus x dash and y dash minus root 3 y dash whole square by 4 only. You can multiply these two terms, okay? And last term is x dash of whole square plus 2 root 3 x dash and y dash plus 3 y dash of whole square by 4 only is equal to 2a square. In these three terms you have the 4 is common, therefore you can write the in denominator is 4 only as it is, and remaining terms as it is I am writing. Listen, next is x square terms how many here, 3x dash whole square plus 6x dash is 9. 9 minus 1 is, I can write here, 8x dash whole square. And x dash and y dash terms is, you can observe here, minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3. How much it is? Minus 2 root 3. These three terms you can observe here, 1, 2, 3. Minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 is nothing but minus 6 root 3 x dash and y dash. This is a plus x dash and y dash is there. Therefore, this is a plus, these three terms are minus. Therefore, you can cancel these three terms and this term also you can cancel them. Minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3, this is minus 6 root 3. This is a plus root 3 to cancel. X terms, so y terms observe here. Y dash whole square minus 6y dash whole square minus 3. Minus 6 minus 3 is nothing but minus 9. Plus 1 means you can write here minus 8 y dash whole square is equal to 4a square. Once again you can check here. Therefore, x square terms I can write here 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8x square. Okay. Y also observe directly. Y. This is minus 6 minus 3 minus 9 plus 1 means nothing but minus 8y square. Got it? Okay. Next observe x dash and y dash terms is a plus 6 root 3 x dash and y dash minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 minus root 3 minus 2 root 3. This is a 6 minus 6 root 3 x dash and y dash plus 6 root 3 x and y. This can be cancelling. Therefore, we got here equation is 8 of x dash whole square minus y dash whole square is equal to, here 4 only, this is 2, this 4 only na, 4 2a square. Therefore you can write here 8a square. 4 into 2 is 8a square. 8 it cancel, you got answer is x dash whole square minus y dash is equal to a square. You remove the dash, you get the answer is x square minus y square is equal to a square. Remove the dash only. The transformed equation is x square minus y square is equal to a square. This is the end of the exercise 2a. Chapter is also completed. Okay. Remaining two problems same. The remaining two and second and fifth same. Similarly you can do this method only. Okay. Thank you.